name is Miss Nikki, and I have been with Kiddie Academy for 10 years. I was at the Bolingbrook location for 5 years, and I have been at the Darien location for 5 years, where I am now the director.
Hi, my name is Heather. I am the assistant director here at Kiddie Academy, and I have been here for 1 year.
Hi, I'm Gabrielle. I'm the office assistant of Kiddie Academy of Darien. I'm willing to show you guys what we have here, our good quality care, the amazing things that we have to offer the children with education, our curriculum. We even have a gym and a playground, and your kid will feel so safe here.
Hi, my name is Katie Moore, and I'm one of the owners here at Kiddie Academy. We're here to educate and encourage your children to do more and to be more, not just while they're in our classrooms, but also at home. Our goal at Kiddie Academy is to provide a safe and welcoming environment for all of our children. Our philosophy is community begins here, because we partner with all of our families to create the best learning environment for their children. Kiddie Academy uses our very own Life Essentials curriculum, which exceeds all of the Illinois state standards and will prepare your child for school. Life Essentials curriculum is tailored to every age group based off of 4 pillars.
The first pillar is developmentally appropriate curriculum. Every day your child will be participating in curriculum activities. You will see learning through play and action through quality materials and creative expression, including dramatic play and art. So many things are learned through simple block play: counting, balance, cause and effect. The second pillar is technology. In our preschool classrooms, we use smart boards to enhance learning through interactive technology.
Our third pillar is health and fitness. We follow strict health and safety protocols during COVID-19. All teachers, as well as students 2 and up, are required to wear masks while inside, consistent hand washing, and twice daily sanitation of toys and surfaces. We also have 2 sanitizing machines, the Halo machine and electromagnetic sprayers used on a nightly basis.
The playground is sanitized between classrooms. The children go outside twice a day in our beautiful outdoor playground, complete with a basketball court and a bike path that allows them to exercise and build on their gross motor skills. On days when they can't go outside, we enjoy activities in our indoor play area so that they can still get exercise and release their energy. At Kiddie Academy, healthy meals and snacks are always served with fresh fruits and vegetables in order to make sure that we do our part in keeping your children healthy.
Our fourth pillar is character essentials. Each month we focus on different characteristics, including respect, cooperation, sharing, and many more. My oldest daughter had the opportunity to be a part of Kiddie Academy starting when she was an infant. She is now in kindergarten, so it has been such a great experience knowing that she has been fully prepared for kindergarten in the educational aspect and in the social aspect.
I also have an 18-month-old, and she loves coming to school every day. As a parent, I have so much comfort knowing that she is learning, that she's loved, and that she's cared for by the most nurturing and kind teachers.
Our parents love the ease of communication with the Tadpoles app. Parents can see in real time pictures and activities their children are participating in. They are also able to use the text feature on the app to communicate with their children's teachers at any time. We hold 2 of the highest accreditations, the NACCE accreditation and the Gold Circle of Quality through Accelerate Illinois. This means that we maintain a high level of quality criteria, which is only obtained by the top 6% of centers in the nation. This allows us to hire qualified staff where they hold a degree or are working towards their degree in early childhood education. Our teachers are incredibly loving, nurturing, and knowledgeable.
Hi, my name is Gail Rosiak. My son has been enrolled at Kiddie Academy since he was about 12 weeks old. I chose Kiddie Academy for a variety of reasons, and I certainly don't know more than any other parents, but I am a teacher myself, and I ran a day camp for many years, so I kind of had some interesting questions and some probably bizarre qualifications, and Kiddie Academy has met and exceeded all of those. I feel really comfortable every day dropping my kid off to daycare. Still sad sometimes, but that's just, separation anxiety and nothing to do with the quality of the program here. I know every day that my son is safe. He loves his teachers. He learns so much from them. Of course, I'm gonna brag about my kid because he's wonderful, but people always ask me where he learned something, and I always say, oh, he learned that at school. I have no idea. Like, he came home and I was amazed that he knew that. So he learns a lot at Kiddie Academy. He has fun every day. His teachers have him pick his emotion every day when he arrives, and he points to happy and he says, I'm happy because I'm at school. And luckily, now he seems to be happy to be at home and at school. But for a while, there was a stint when he would cry every weekend day because he wasn't going to get to go to Kiddie Academy on that day. The teachers are wonderful. The administration is wonderful. I also appreciate the communication and documentation that occurs every day. I have full trust in everything that goes on here. So I, in fact, don't actually look in the day at all. And sometimes my husband says, oh, did you see this picture? And I, in fact, have not because I have no concerns. But it is wonderful at the end of the day, especially when my kid comes home to see everything he did. All of the information is linked to learning standards. So everything that happens during the day at Kiddie Academy, there's a clear rationale for that. There's a schedule that is followed that really helps children build a routine and helps parents know what their kid is doing each day. And we give pictures and videos and newsletters and lots of communication about just the wonderful things that are going on in the classroom. But I also really appreciate that if there are ever any concerns, big or small, the communication is very proactive. I always know if anything happened in the day that is worthy of concern. It could be very minor, right? My kid bumped his knee and they want to know, or they want me to know why there's a Band-Aid there. So the communication is really wonderful. And I also appreciate that the teachers and administration are very open to suggestions. They're very willing to answer questions. They are extremely responsive. And I'm so glad that we found Kiddie Academy.